Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to change screen password that you have set for your device security purpose, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to settings. Now let me show you from the very beginning. You just need to go to the lock screen and AOD. You have to scroll a little, then you'll find lock screen and AOD. Now tap on it, and from here at the very beginning you will find screen lock and biometrics. And tap on it. Now the most important part is verify yourself by entering the current password that you have set for your device. For example, I'm going to add my password here, then simply tap on continue. Now from here you can just simply tap on password. Now it's enough to create a new password on your device. That now you can enter a new password. You can just enter letters and numbers. You can also combine letter numbers and symbols to make a stronger password for your device, but you have to you have to give minimum 4 characters on your password. So like for example, I'm going to give this like, and simply tap on continue. Not from here, you can get a preview of your password, then simply tap on continue. Then again you just need to enter the password that you have you want to set for your device. Now simply click on OK. Remember that this password, if you forget it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. So that's a caution for you. Now after confirming the password, and if you are confirmed that you want to change your password, then remember the password and simply tap on OK. After tap on OK, it will give you this type of screen where you can see that new password has set. Now simply tap on OK, and here you can see if I want to enter to the screen lock again, then it will ask for the password again. So if I lock my screen and unlock it again, if I swipe it up, then here you can see the password, and I have to enter the new password that I have added right now. So that's how you can just simply change your screen lock password on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.